Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm from Accounting Study Program with study number 2341208. Today I'm gonna explain the material about understanding law in business law. In the next slide, types of legal system and source of law. Global legal systems. Globally, two primary legal traditions prevail: common law and civil law. Common law system is originating in England, really heavily on juridical precedents, meaning past courts' decision guide future rulings. Civil law system is common in continental Europe, derive their authority from codified statutes and comprehensive legal codes. Source of U.S. law. In United States, law originates from several key sources: constitutions, statutes, regulation, and case of law. Constitution is both federal and state constitution, fundamental rights, and governmental structure. Statutes, law is enacted by legislative bodies such as Congress or state legislators. Regulation is rules issued administrative agencies to implement enforce statutes. Case law is judicial decision to interpret constitution, statutes, and regulation, forming precedents. Business law integrates principles from all these sources to govern commercial activities effectively. And next slide is, what is business law? The legal framework from commerce. Business law, often referred to as commercial law, is a broad branch of law that governs the formation, operation, and dissolution of business and commercial transactions. It encompasses a vast array of legal principles that guide how companies interact with customers, employees, and other business. The first is key areas covered. This field includes critical areas such as contract law, employment law, intellectual property law, tax law, environmental regulation law, and securities law. Each of these sub-branches provides specific guidelines and rules for various aspects of business operation, ensuring fair practices. At its core, business law aims to ensure fair practices in the marketplace. It establishes regulations that protect consumers from deceptive action and unfair competition. By setting clear standards, it promotes an environment of trust and transparency. 3. Promoting ethical conduct. Beyond mere compliance, business law encourages ethical conduct with the corporate world. It provides a framework that not only prevents illegal activities but also guides business towards socially responsible practice, fostering a more stable and reputable commercial landscape. In the next slide, there is key areas of business law: contracts and agreements. Contracts are foundational to business operation, serving as the legally binding agreement to define relationship and expectation between parties. Understanding contract law is crucial for any business, as it underpins nearly every transaction and every partnership. First, legally binding promises. A contract is essentially a promise or a set of promises that the law will enforce. When parties enter the contract, they create mutual obligation that, if a breach, can lead to legal remedies. That enforceability provides certainty and stability in business dealing. 2. Essential elements. For a contract to be legally valid, it generally requires four elements: an offer, an acceptance, consideration, and legality. An offer, it's a clear proposal by one party. An acceptance, it's unconditional agreement to the offered terms. Consideration is something of value exchanged between parties, and legality is the contract purpose must be lawful. 3. Preventing disputes. The meticulous drafting of clear, unambiguous contract is paramount for business. While defined terms, conditions minimize misunderstanding and significantly reduce the likelihood of disputes. By clearly outlining rights, responsibilities, and remedies, contracts protect the interests of all involved parties and provide a roadmap for the relationship. The next slide is business organization, choosing the right structure. First, sole proprietorship. Simple to set up, but owner has unlimited personal liability for business debt and obligation, often chosen by small business and individual contractors. 2. Partnerships. Two or more individuals share ownership and profits. Liability can be shared, but partners are also personally responsible for business debt, depending on the type of partnership. 3. Corporation. A separate legal entity from its owner or shareholders, provides limited liability, protecting personal assets, requires more formal compliance and governance, often preferred by large business. 4. LLC or limited liability company. Combine the limited liability of corporation with the pass-through taxation and operational flexibility of a partnership, a popular choice for many small to medium-sized businesses due to its balance of protection and simplicity. Its business structure carries distinct legal implications regarding liability, taxation, and management. Choosing the appropriate structure is a critical decision to impact a business long-term success and legal vulnerabilities. And the next slide is employment and anti-discrimination law. Employment law provides the legal framework for relationships between employers and employer. It covers a wide range of issues from hiring and firing practices to wages, working conditions, and workplace safety. Compliance with these laws ensures fairness and stability in the work environment. The key aspect is workplace safety, wages and hours, employee benefits. Work safety is regulation ensuring a safe and healthy work environment. Wages and hours is rules governing minimum wage, overtime pay, and work schedules. Employee benefits is legal requirements for benefits like health insurance, leave, and retirement plans. Anti-discrimination laws are critical component to employment law, designed to protect individuals from unfair treatment in the workplace based on certain characteristics. These laws foster diversity and equal opportunity. Protected characteristic: race, color, religion, sex, and national origin is prohibited under Title 7 of Civil Rights Act. Age protected by individuals 40 and older under the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. Disability is covered by Americans with Disabilities Act, requiring reasonable accommodation. Genetic information is prohibit under the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act. By adhering to this law, business creates inclusive workplace, enhance employee morale, and significantly reduce potential legal risks and liabilities. In the next slide, intellectual property, protecting innovation and breadth. Intellectual property or IP refers to creation of the mind, such as invention, literary and artist works, design and symbol, name and image used in commerce. Protecting IP is vital for business to safeguard their innovation, maintain competitive advantage, and build brand equity. First is patents. Grant investor exclusive rights to their invention for a limited period, typically is for 20 years. This prevents others from making, using, or selling the invention without permission. 2. Trademarks. Protect brand name, logos, slogans, and other identifiers that distinguish goods or service one of party from those of others. Trademarking a logo, for instance, prevents competitor from using similar marks that could confuse consumers. 3. Copyright. Protect original work from authorship. Include literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works. These give creators exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, perform, display, or license their works. And the last four is trade secret. Protect confidential business information that provides a competitive edge, such as formulas, practice, design, instrument, or complaints for information. Unlike patents, trade secrets can be protected by identify as long as they can remain confidentially. A strong IP strategy allows business to monetize their creativity, deter infringements, and secure their unique position in the market. Next slide is the role of government and regulatory bodies. Government agencies and regulatory bodies can play a critical role in overseeing various aspects of business operation. They are tax, VAT, and provisioning law, establishing industry-specific regulation, and resolving disputes to unfair competition, consumer protection, and public welfare. SEC, or Securities and Exchange Commission, regulates to the U.S. securities market, protecting investors, ensuring the fair play and orderly markets, oversees public companies and financial professionals. FDA, Food and Drug Administration, protects public health by assuring safety, efficiency, and security of human veterinary drugs, biological product, medical device, food, and cosmetic. EPA, or Environmental Protect Agency, enforce federal environmental laws to protect human health and environment, set standard for air, water, and waste management. FTC, or Federal Trade Commission, promotes fair competition and protect consumers from deceptive and unfair business practices, addresses issues like antitrust and data privacy. And the last, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, ensures safe and healthy working conditions for employees by setting and enforcing standards and providing training, outreach, education, and assistance. Navigating this complex regulatory landscape is essential for business. Staying compliant and not only avoid significant penalties and legal challenge but also builds the credibility and trust with stakeholders, fostering a positive public image and sustainable growth. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.